We got the Dymaxion House. So last time we were here, you could actually go in the house. Now, unfortunately, they've locked it off after COVID, and you can't actually go in it. Apparently, they had to do some work on it, and they didn't end up doing it. Something with the floors, or I forget exactly what it was, but they ended up not. So they've ended up not allowing anyone back in again. Aluminum, steel, and plastic. Dymaxion House. Built-in revolving closets. 2 bedrooms. Cozy and stylish. Either way. There's your living room. It's kind of cool, like, to think what they did with this. Kitchen. Yeah. There's the kitchen. Yeah, you used to be able to actually go in and walk around in it. Are they still up there? Oh. There's the bedroom. Can't really see into it because we're down here now. Doot, 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 doot. I don't think you can see in it from up on the other side either. Oh, okay. So here's a better view of the bedroom. And your closets. It's a really interesting concept for sure. It's like a permanent Airstream. Living room was the biggest room in the house, clearly.